Superalgos trading bot pricing explained what you get for your money. Superalgos isn't just another trading bot. You won't believe the power it puts in the hands of both beginners and advanced traders. Most people get this wrong by assuming sophisticated trading software costs hundreds per month, but the surprising truth is that Superalgos is completely free and open source. Despite being free, it offers AI-driven strategy automation, historical market data analysis, and fully customizable trading workflows. You won't believe how much control you have. You can backtest strategies across years of data, tweak trading rules, and even simulate live trading scenarios without risking real money. Most people get this wrong by thinking free tools can't deliver serious results. The depth and flexibility here rival many paid platforms. For serious traders, the real value is transparency and customization. You can integrate multiple exchanges, track performance metrics, and optimize algorithms to suit your unique trading style. Add-ons and community-contributed scripts expand the platform's capabilities, making it suitable for both crypto and stock markets. In conclusion, Superalgos pricing is unbeatable because it's free. The real investment is your time to learn and customize the platform. By leveraging its AI automation and analytics, you go from zero to pro in understanding what you get for your money. It's more than a trading bot, it's a complete trading ecosystem for anyone serious about markets.